students, today we will be taking up the topic of sexual reproduction, and we will mainly be studying the two types of sexual reproduction in animals, that is budding and binary fission. So let us, before starting the topic, let me tell you what is a sexual reproduction first. See, the reproduction which involve only a single parent is known as a sexual reproduction. Okay, in the simple living organism, all right, what happens is in them the sexes has not been separated. That means they do not have individual male and individual female. Okay, likewise other higher organism, they have a female, right, they have female different and a male body or a male living being is different, but in them what happens is there is no sexes. Okay, all of them are same. So in this case, what, by which means this organism will reproduce, that we will be looking for. See, for example, where there is a male and there is a female, this is a male and there is a female. Okay, they both, what they do, they form a gamete, right, and then the fusion of these gamete will make a new individual, right. Male and female, they form a gamete and both fuse and become a new individual. And if there is no male and female, then what happen? If organism is only same, this is also same, this is also same, this is also same, this is also same, there is no separation. Okay, then what happens is they will not form gamete. Instead what they will do, they will start dividing by themselves. Okay, they will start, you see here one cell, it is dividing by itself, it is not forming a gamete. Okay, here you see one body, it is dividing itself, it is not forming gamete. Okay, likewise we form gamete, or other higher organism form gametes. Okay, the simple living organism, they do not form gametes, and such organism reproduce by a sexual reproduction. Okay, now let's come to budding. There may be one or more bulges that is developing new individual, and it is known as birth. You see, there is bulge in the body of a parent, isn't it? And this bulge is nothing but it is known as bud. Okay, this will grow into a new individual organism. You see here, and after some time the bulge or the births separate from the parent body and start growing as a new individual. Now it will grow further. You see, there is a bulge, it is growing further. Okay, and it will grow more, all right, as soon as it becomes resemble like parents. Okay, it looks same, देखो ये parents के जैसे दिखने लगता है. After that what happens is that it will get separated. ठीक है, ये parents के body से छूट के it will start living as a new individual organism. Okay, now coming to the next, that is binary fission. In binary fission what happens is the single cell divide into two daughter cells. Okay, binary means two and fission means splitting. Okay, now a single cellular organism like amoeba, reproduction happens through splitting of parent cell into two daughter cell. Okay, in a single cell organism like amoeba, what you see is the reproduction. Okay, it happens through splitting of daughter cell. Okay, one daughter cell was there, it is splitted into two, but here there is due to the formation of bulge, isn't it? And there is growth, cell grow in size. First what happens is, this is a cell, it is growing in size. In second step, nucleus divide into two. After it has grown in the size, now you see nucleus is dividing into two. There is only one nucleus. Now the nucleus has divided into two nuclei. Okay, and these nuclei start separating from one another, isn't it? You see, they are separating from one another, and you see there is a division of the body also. All right, see here, nucleus divides into two nuclei. Body division, that is cytoplasm division, takes place into two parts. Okay, and each part of the body receive one nucleus. Now each part of the body is receiving one nucleus. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let me tell one more time. In budding what happens is there is a bulge formation. Okay, and this bulge grows to the certain extent, and as soon as it starts resembling like the parents, okay, it will separate from the parent's body and get detached. Okay, and in the binary fission what happens, single cell will grow in size, okay, then the nuclei divide and then the body separates into two and each part of the body get one nuclei, okay. Hence from the one mother cell there is a formation of two daughter cell, you can tell, okay. And this is an example of binary fusion because a mother cell is splitting into two cells, okay. Alright, that's all for today. If you liked my video, please do hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel so that I can make more such video. Thank you.